What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Sharp Technique. Today, judging by the thumbnail, you know exactly what's going on. Now, I've had this knife for a very long time. I've been kind of sitting on it, playing with it a little bit.
What do you mean by that?
Trying to figure out some of the ins and outs. I didn't want to do a review right away. I just wanted to play with it, sit back, and honestly, it's been one of my favorite fidget toy knives. Yes. Now, today I'm going to be reviewing the Factor B3, and it's made by Winterblade Co. But the knife that I got was the one with the Damascus blade, all black Damascus blade. That's the one that kind of appealed to me. They are not affordable, a little bit on the high end, but nonetheless, I think you're gonna enjoy. So just off the jump here, I have the box and I already opened it. Like I said, I've already been playing with it, but just to show you how it came, this is exactly how it showed up. When I first opened it, right away, I knew that there was something luxury in here because the knife came in its own mini Pelican style case, if you will. Now, there is a big piece of foam insert in here for the knife, which to me is awesome. I've bought a bunch of knives in the past, and to be honest with you, I've never received one with a nice little plastic hard case like this. Also, in the box, there's a nice microfiber towel that has the Winterblade Co logo on it, and you can use it to wipe your knife down. You can lay it down so you could work on the knife. It's up to you how you want to utilize it. And of course, never forget a nice little sticker package. This is one thing that I think a lot of companies do wrong. I've bought knives from a lot of different companies, and a lot of them think that their product is so high end that they don't need to give you any extras. I don't know if that's just the thought behind it, if that's the marketing behind it, but it's not really smart. I mean, honestly, he took the time, this guy from Winterblade Co., small business owner, took the time to put it in a nice style, a hard case, a microfiber towel with his name on it, and a sticker pack. Now, to me, that screams quality, that screams, I want your business. I love that. Winterblade Co., 2 thumbs up, sorry, Ken, 2 thumbs up for packaging and marketing. Awesome. Now let's get to the meat and potatoes of it. So when you first open up the hard case, you're gonna notice that there's a pretty big foam insert where the knife sits. Again, awesome. You can pull this foam insert out. You can use this case for other things like parts, screwdrivers, whatever you want, like a little carry case. And here is the product. Let me face it the right way. Here is the product, and this thing is awesome. Listen to this. Woo! This is my favorite fidget knife, just from all the knives that I have. It's not your average folding knife. From the moment you touch it, you can tell that this was designed by someone who wanted to rethink how knives deploy. I mean, that right there, deploying from the spine is insane. Now this is, I know for some of you, it's like, oh, this is too expensive. There's nothing special about this. There is. There's something very special about this. It's groundbreaking, and I have not seen this before. I've seen knives that you switch up top, it deploys from the top. I've seen knives just, folding, auto knives, out the side, out the front. I'm yet to see anything like this, and this is why I wanted a part of it. I'm a big EDC fan, so I needed to have this. Yes, it was expensive. I think it retailed for, a little bit under 400 or maybe at 400, but honestly, if you're a knife head, if you're an EDC head, you got to get one at some point. I mean, you just have to, just to say you have one at least. I get it though, not everybody's gonna buy it. It is a high price tag, but honestly, if you can put a little bit, 20 bucks aside each paycheck, believe me, this is so cool. And some of my buddies that have seen it, playing with it all the time, and nobody's dropped it yet. Thank God, nobody has dropped it yet. But And honestly, this is a quality knife. From all the times that all my friends have played with it, deployed it, put it back, fidgeting back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, this thing is still running strong. And for $400, that's exactly what you would expect. The blade geometry is well thought out. It slices clean, tracks straight, and holds an edge the way you'd expect from a knife in this category. This isn't just an experimental design, it performs. In hand, the Factor B3 feels secure. The handle grip, ergonomics, they guide you naturally. There's a nice finger choil right there specifically for your hand. Fit and finish is excellent. Tolerances are nice and tight. Edges are super clean, and everything lines up the way it should. This feels like a knife that went through some serious quality control. So who is this knife for? The Factor B3 is for someone who appreciates innovation, but still wants performance. If you're tired of the same deployment system and want something genuinely different that actually works, this knife delivers. Winterblade Co. didn't just make a knife. They made a statement with the Factor B3. It's innovative, satisfying to use, and built with real purpose. This is one of those knives that reminds you why this hobby is fun. Look, if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to Sharp Technique, and let me know in the comments what you think about the magnetic deployment. And as always, stay sharp.